Hello guys, good day everyone. So for today's video, uh we're going to learn how to add or create drop-down list in Excel. So matututo tayo ngayon kung paano mag-add or gumawa ng drop-down list in Excel. So I am going to share screen. So here I have an open worksheet and I have two sheets here, list of employee name and list of department. So we are tasked with updating employees in alphabetical order under the respective department. So instead of, for example, this Akina Ryan is belongs to IT department, Armendi is from accounting and finance department, and as Tinosho Gerald belongs to security department. So do not do this. So instead, we will create a drop-down list in Excel. So we are going to delete this, go to the ribbon, click data, and then go to data validation, then click data validation. Choose in the drop-down list, click list, then from the source, we are going to go to the list of department, select all, then click OK. So, yun lang guys. We are, i-paste lang natin dito. Then as you can see, pwede na natin siyang i-type or i-select dito via drop-down list. Aquino Ryan belongs to IT department, accounting and finance, security department, and so on and so forth. So, ayun lang guys. I hope na nakatulong ako sa inyo sa inyong Excel journey sa pag-aaral ng inyong Excel. So, that's all for today. If you want more videos and random contents, just subscribe to my channel. And that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.